Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte 5. That's the hatchback version of the Forte. And this is an LX version with the plus, of course, because it has the fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirrors. That great big sticker you see in the upper right hand corner of the windshield says this car qualifies under the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. You may want to check that out when you come down to look at the car and see what features and benefits are available with the car. Really nice white color. As we go down the car, Sirius XM is on, which indicates that you get 3 months of Sirius XM radio included with this car. To try it out, powers windows, locks, and mirrors. Some of the controls. And on the steering wheel, we have the audio and cruise controls. Car only has 25,044 kilometers. There's that Sirius XM radio. Car has a reverse camera. Climate control. Down below, an auxiliary and USB port and some charge ports. And some heated front seats here that are cloth. The driver's seat is height adjustable. Plenty of room in the back for passengers. Everybody can ride in comfort. Those seats are also a 60-40 split and can be folded down. Both of them, either in the 40% side or the 60% side, would be your choice depending what you're carrying. Back of the car, we open up the hatch. Plenty of room back here for sports gear, any kind of outdoor equipment, or carrying groceries. And again, those seats do fold down to give you some more room to carry stuff. So if you're looking for a nice little car that's fun to drive, economical to operate, come on down to West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9, Monday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday 9 to 6, Sunday 11 to 5. And remember, we're about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're out in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Come and see us. Try out the car.